Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make a group chat in Discord. So that's a very simple thing to do. Just open the first section at the app that contains all the servers and direct messages in particular. Then open the direct messages section. In here, in front of the direct messages itself, you'll find the messaging icon with a plus sign on top of it. So in here, tap at this icon, select the friends that you would like to create the group chat with, and then click start. And if you have multiple friends, unlike me, and you've selected more than one, it will create a separate group chat with those selected friends. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.